This video I'm going to show you how you can easily open YouTube in Chrome browser or any other browser and not in YouTube app. Now be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. And please guys, ensure that you like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now open your browser or Chrome browser, then search for YouTube. Then if you click YouTube, as you can see, it will bring you directly to the YouTube app. But if you go back and long press it, then click open in new tab. Now as you can see guys, we've opened YouTube in Chrome and also in a new tab. Guys, that's how you can easily open YouTube in Chrome browser or in any other browser and not in YouTube app. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.